Imagine waking up to the news that a giant SpaceX rocket is about to slam into the moon at over 5,000 miles per hour. No, it's not a disaster movie. It's a real event, and surprisingly, scientists are excited about it. How did a 4-ton piece of space hardware end up on a collision course with the moon? What happens when it finally hits? And could this accidental crash actually help future space exploration? Let's find out. Space exploration often creates incredible achievements, but sometimes it also leaves behind unexpected surprises. One of those surprises is now racing toward the lunar surface. A massive section of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, launched during a lunar mission in early 2025, has spent months drifting silently through space. With no fuel and no way to control it, gravity has slowly guided it toward an unavoidable destination, the moon. And within hours, that journey will come to an explosive end. The object heading toward the moon isn't an active spacecraft. It's the second stage of a Falcon 9 rocket. During the original mission, this stage completed its job by pushing a lunar lander toward the moon. Normally, rocket stages returning from Earth orbit missions fall back into Earth's atmosphere and burn up safely. But lunar missions are different. Because the spacecraft needed extra speed to escape Earth's gravity, the rocket stage continued drifting through deep space after finishing its mission. Without engines or fuel, it became another piece of space debris, slowly traveling around the Earth-Moon system until gravity changed its path. Now, it's expected to strike the moon at nearly 8,700 kilometers per hour. Even though space is mostly empty, a collision at that speed is incredibly powerful. NASA estimates the impact will carve out a fresh crater around 18 meters wide and about 4 meters deep. The crash will also launch a cloud of lunar dust and broken rock high above the surface. Unlike explosions on Earth, there will be no fireball because the moon has almost no atmosphere. Instead, the energy will instantly blast dust in every direction before the material slowly falls back to the surface under the moon's weak gravity. The event won't be visible to most people without specialized equipment, but scientists around the world will be watching carefully. Although the impact is accidental, researchers see it as a valuable scientific opportunity. By studying the fresh crater and the cloud of material thrown into space, scientists can learn more about what lies just beneath the moon's dusty surface. The event also provides a real-world test for tracking objects moving through deep space. Improving these tracking systems is becoming increasingly important as thousands of satellites and discarded rocket parts continue orbiting Earth and traveling beyond it. Every successful observation helps engineers improve future missions and better predict where abandoned spacecraft may end up. This crash also highlights a growing challenge for the space industry: space debris. Thousands of inactive satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from old missions are already orbiting Earth. Most never cause problems, but occasionally, objects escape Earth's orbit and continue wandering through space for years. As more countries and private companies launch missions to the moon and beyond, experts say managing leftover hardware will become even more important. Future missions may include better plans for safely disposing of rocket stages instead of leaving them drifting through space. In the end, this isn't a dangerous event. The moon won't be knocked off course. Earth is completely safe, and the impact poses no threat to anyone. Instead, this unexpected collision serves as a reminder that every space mission leaves a lasting footprint. Sometimes those footprints lead to incredible discoveries. As humanity enters a new era of lunar exploration, even an accidental crash can teach us valuable lessons about science, engineering, and the future of exploring our solar system. So what do you think? Should space agencies be required to safely dispose of rocket stages after every mission? Or are events like this simply part of exploring space? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating space stories from across the universe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next mission.